Hi, this is Mary Cruz, Go Rubius. And what I got today is a package I bought from Amazon. And hang on, I gotta close the door. Yeah, yeah. I ordered something from Amazon a couple of days ago. I reached the 600, 6,500 points to get the $5 e-card. So I can add to my e-card amount. See here. And you can tell it's really pretty much a challenge with these kind of scissors. Okay. Let's see what I got here. Paper. And this is what inside that big box. Yeah. This is one of the orders I ordered. It's like pink nail polish. Yeah, I know. Yeah, but I didn't realize until it's too late when I somehow, let's see here. When I have some pink polish already, but let's bear in mind, I think this used to be, I think this used to be my mother's uh, nail polish because when she was alive, she collected lots of makeup, and I think most of it was nail polish. Yeah, but somehow I ordered this instead because I also ordered uh, another nail polish. Hopefully get it tomorrow, and that one's blue, and this one's pink. This is LA Colors. Yeah, so it says with Hartners. And according to this is like called Absolute. So the name of this pink is called Absolute. Yeah. And you can tell I usually like to wear nail polish when the holidays are coming. Yeah, but I forgot to put some nail polish on for Valentine's Day. This is from when we had the Chinese New Year's. Yeah. And the reason I ordered a new blue polish because this one here is pretty much dried up from the inside. And as you can tell, I know it doesn't look at much, but there's not that much. Like I said, I think it's pretty much dried up the inside. I don't know if you can tell or not. But every time I put some on, it pretty much clumps up. Yeah. It kind of still coat a little bit, but there's one of those moments you have to get some more, try to get some more, but there isn't that much. And so, yeah, that's why I ordered me some more blue nail polish. Yeah, yeah. I believe I had this since I know it's from the late '90s or somewhere in the early 2000s, but I had this for a very long time, and you can tell I guess it's time to let it go. like I said, this is one of the new ones I ordered. I'm gonna get another one tomorrow. I'm gonna tell you about that. Yeah. And so this is Mary Cruz signing off. Bye.